Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to create and publish a new property listing on PropatyHub. We'll go step by step through the listing editor so you know exactly what to do and how to make your listing stand out. Accessing the listing editor. From your host dashboard, open the Listings tab on the left. If you've not published anything yet, this page will be empty. Click the blue New Listing button at the top right to start. Step 1. Basics. You're now on Step 1 of 5, Basics. This section covers the core details that appear in search results. In the listing title box, write a concise description soon. Cozy 2-bed flat in Lekki Phase 1. Avoid vague titles. Be clear about beds, location, and a key feature. Under listing intent, choose whether you're renting or leasing, selling, offering a bookable stay, or marketing an off-plan property. For long-term rental, select rent/leased. Pick the rental type. Most long-term lets are simply long-term. Use the listing type drop-down to select the property type, e.g. apartment, condo, house. On the right, set your price. Check the currency and choose how often the rent is paid, monthly or yearly. You can leave the available from date blank if it's flexible. Tick furnished if you provide furniture, and mark as demo listing only if this listing is for testing purposes. Next is location. Start typing the neighborhood or area in the search for an area box. For example, Lekki Phase 1. Choose the suggested area to pin it on the map. The country, state, city, and neighborhood fields will auto-populate, but you can edit them if needed. Add a county/LGA and postcode to improve search relevance. The address field is optional and only used internally. Finally, define the property's capacity. Set the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. The max guests field applies only to short-let listings. When you're happy, click Next at the bottom. Step 2. Details. On Step 2, Details, you add more context about the property. In Property Specs, select the bathroom privacy, private or shared, and tick Pets Allowed if you welcome pets. Under Size and Age, enter the property's floor area in square meters or feet, and optionally the year it was built. These fields help serious tenants compare listings but aren't required. In Deposit and Rules, enter a security deposit, commonly 1 or 2 months' rent, and confirm the deposit currency. It defaults to your listing currency. Tick Bills Included if you cover utilities like electricity and water. The Description and Features block is your chance to tell a story. Write a few sentences describing the layout, highlights, and who the property would suit. Include your availability and any restrictions. If you're stuck, click Generate with AI for a suggested description and then edit it to fit your tone. Use the Features field to add key selling points like balcony, generator, or in suit. Select an EPC rating and a council tax band if you're in a region where these apply. Finally, list your amenities. For example, Wi-Fi, parking, security, pool. Once finished, choose Next. Step 3. Photos. In Step 3, Photos, you upload images via PropatyHub Superbase storage. Click Choose Files and select at least 3 photos. Quality matters here. Use bright, well-lit photos shot in landscape orientation. Avoid compressed or screenshot images. Each file should be at least 1,200 pixels wide and under 20 MB. After selecting your images, pick one to be the cover. The cover photo shows up in search results and on the listing card, so choose the strongest exterior or living room shot. You can also upload a short MP4 video walkthrough. Tick Use Video as featured media if you want the video preview to appear in place of the cover photo. When done, click Next. Step 4. Preview. Step 4. Preview shows you how seekers will see your listing. Review the card carefully. The preview checklist will point out anything missing, For example, it will remind you to add photos or a proper description. This is your last chance to go back and improve earlier steps. If you're satisfied, hit Next again. Step 5. Submit. The final step is submit. At the top you'll see a listing quality summary with suggested quick fixes, perhaps adding 5 or more photos, improving your location details, or choosing a better cover image. There's also a Before You Publish box that highlights remaining tasks like adding a postcode or more amenities. If you're ready to publish, click Submit for approval. Your listing will be sent to the PropatyHub admin team for review. They check for basic quality, completeness, and compliance before approving it. If you want to save a draft and return later, click Done instead. You can find the draft under your Listings tab at any time. That's it. You've created a property listing on PropatyHub. Following these steps and paying attention to the quality cues will help your listing stand out and attract the right tenants. Thank you for watching.